Hey friends, today I'm making 2 amazing everyday vegan recipes, so let's get straight into it. For the first recipe, I'm making spicy and smoky tomato chickpeas over jasmine rice. You'll need to drain and rinse 2 cans of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Then you'll need 3/4 cup of diced red onion. Then go ahead and chop up some parsley. That way, when everything is ready at the end, you have that ready to go and you can just sprinkle it on top. This adds really beautiful color for the final dish. In a medium pot, add 1.5 cups of water and bring that to a boil. Then add 1 cup of jasmine rice, give it a quick stir, and cover it and simmer for 15 minutes. Once it's finished, remove it from the heat and let it sit for 5 more minutes, and then you can fluff it with a fork. Add the red onions and 1/2 cup of water to a large saucepan and turn the heat on medium-low, and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, give that a good stir, and let this all cook together for another 3 minutes. To make the base really creamy, we're going to be using light canned coconut milk. You'll need 1 1/4 cup, which is about 2/3 of the can. I highly recommend getting the organic because it has a lot less processed ingredients. Then add in 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of chipotle chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the chickpeas. Stir this together really well until all of the flavors are nice and combined, and crank the heat up to about medium-high, and simmer for about 10 minutes. All of the recipes in today's video will be in the description box below. And when it's ready, the sauce should be thickened but not too thick. Add a couple spoonfuls of the jasmine rice to a plate, followed by the tomato chickpeas, and then you can garnish it with the chopped parsley. And you have a delicious, high-protein, nutritious, plant-based dinner. Matt and I love this. We make this just about every week for dinner, and it is so good. It's perfect for pretty much anybody, so I hope you give it a try and you enjoy it. Next, I'm making a wild blueberry smoothie bowl. In a high-speed blender, add 1/4 cup of coconut water, 1 frozen banana, 3/4 cup of wild blueberries, 3/4 cup of strawberries, and 1/4 cup of any non-dairy yogurt. I'm using my all-time favorite, the unsweetened vanilla coconut yogurt by So Delicious. Blend on high for a few minutes until smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides if necessary. Then add your smoothie to a bowl. I'm using these adorable recycled coconut bowls that I got off of Amazon. I've had them for a few years and I've featured them in other videos, and I absolutely love them. They come with spoons too, and they're just so perfect for smoothie bowls. And then you can add your favorite fruits. I'm using some fresh strawberries, some fresh pomegranate seeds, and some of my favorite store-bought granola. The granola adds some amazing crunch and texture, so keep it out because you might need to add a little bit more as you eat. I hope you enjoyed the recipes in today's video. If you did, give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss my next one. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!